Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Go ahead again. So the startup expense, operating expense, you said was $119.99, which covers the rent,
Yes.
domain, stuff like that. What about variable costs?
My variable cost, all I put in was shipping and shipping express. So I did an average amount of how much it would cost, and I got 1025.
Okay.
Now my startup expenses consist of the stuff that I would be using, so it cost me about $176 to start my business.
Now you say you have a heat press machine. Was that the? How did you come up with those prices for the heat press and the sublimation? Where did
I
you did
did
your research?
So I did my research on how much it would cost. I also went and I bought the stuff for I can get like an average price of how much it would cost, so I could put it in here. And yeah.
Okay.
So next is my Cogs. So I got an iPhone 11 sublimation cases, and the total price was $14, and 10 come in it. So then the Cogs would be 140, and I times the markup cost times two, got $2.80. I did estimated 10 sales because only 10 come in for right now, and I got $28. Sublimation paper comes in a pack of 10 as well. So the sublimation cost was 421. The cost times that times two, 10, the amount over here, and I went down the row.
Wonderful.
So my cost price would be 57.88. My packaging, this one I did what I would put in my packaging. So I added the total cost of everything, like the stickers, the envelopes, the phone case, all that. I put that in there, and I got 2147. 625 because the rolls of stickers and stuff like that, they come with a lot. So I just added it all together, did the math, marked up. I put 10 because since I'm only selling 10 up here, I wanted it to all be equal. And so, yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. And that formula is like, um, you have to divide that, right? So you divide the selling the cost times how much comes in a pack, and that will give you your cost.
By the amount.
Gotcha. Wonderful.
Yes. So now going down here. So my cost of variable materials, well, first my selling price is $20, and my cost of variables came from which I don't
Right here. Yep.
know.
Variable cost expense.
Yes, from the shipping. I chose the regular shipping. Yeah. So I got $3. Then the cost of labor, I got 182, and that is from here where it says labor. When I did the 1820 divided by 10, I got 182. So I put 182, and my distribution slash delivery, I also put $3, and my total COGS was 782, and my contribution margin was 1218.
Okay.
And when I went here, I put my contribution margin and I put my fixed costs from in the first chart, and my break even was 9.8, so I just rounded it up to 10. And then in my yearly income, I put my selling price, and this does the math for you, but I did an average amount of how much I would sell for January. I put 30, and as in December, you could see 70 because like gifts and stuff, they run up. So I just put an average amount of how much I think would run, and it gave me 600. I put 600 here. 20 times 600 gives you $12,000. Then this is my variable expenses, and this is I think it did the math for me, so I don't know the the math here because I can't see it, but did the math for me. And then I did Contribution margin, C minus D, which gave me 10,200. Fixed operation, which is the one in the top, 119. It did the math for me here. Pre-tax, E minus F, which gave me $8,760.12. And this also did the math, and it gave me G. I think that's G times one of the letters up here, which gave me 1,114, and my net profit, which is G minus H, gave me $7,446 with 12 cents left over. And I just put my net profit in here, my sales, my net profit divided by my sales gave me 1241, and then the return. And that was it.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let me ask you a question. Did you found this form to be very helpful in this process?
Yeah, it made it a lot easier.
Okay. Okay, beautiful.
It definitely helped because, like, with the math and stuff, so that your math come out right, I liked how it did the math for you, and it just made it a lot simpler.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well,
And it makes it understandable.
Great. Well, I love the fact that you are making some money here, and you can see it, and it's all in one place. So well done. Numbers looks great. Now you just got to start putting that into your PowerPoint, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay.
All right.
Wonderful. You may stop sharing.
Let me make. Oh, okay. You're still the host, right?
Yeah.